Hello. Okay, as usual, I am filming on two different cameras. This one over here is my live, and this one over here is my recording. Let me position this one a little different. Hi. Okay, so today I'm going to do a quick video just showing how I am going to remove this glue. So if you remember from what's today? Today is Wednesday, so it's been 8 days now. And this side is Bold Hold. And this side over here is Ghost Bond XL. So you see how the Ghost Bond side got a little bit gummy. And this is my Bold Hold side. So that's my feedback after, 8 days. And now I'm going to remove this, I'm going to remove the glue. I'm actually going to use the Bold Hold lace remover because that's what I have. I bought the whole little thing, and I'm going to remove my glue. Sorry. Let's read the directions. Spray on paper towel or similar applicator. Rub on all areas with adhesive. Let's sit for 1 to 5 minutes. Okay. Hi everybody. What works best for removing glue from lace? Well, I'm going to try this. This should work just fine. This is what I used last time. I really don't see any people complaining or asking what lace removers do and don't work. But this one, from what I hear, works just fine. So I'm going to use this one today because that is what I have. So it did say, I think I'm just gonna, okay, I'll follow the directions and spray it on something. Let me know if you guys have any questions. As you can see, I'm spraying it here on the towel because it says put on applicator. What is the next glue you're going to try? I'm going to try the Isha glue next. And let me know what other glues you guys would like to see me try. So if you're just tuning in, I'm removing my glue. I kind of feel like I should just spray it directly on my scalp, on my lace glue, but I'm trying to follow the directions here. Do I have a favorite glue so far? As far as this application, I like the Bold Hold a little bit better than the Ghost Bond. Now that's my particular preference for my particular lifestyle and my particular body chemistry, but that is what worked for me. And that's so far. And so far I've only tried those two. So I would really like to know what other glues people are using, and I will gladly try a few different glues over the next couple of weeks. Let me know what kind of things you guys would like to see more of in my glue reviews. If I'm missing a very important detail, it's a little gummy here. This is glue. But yeah. Tati, can you bring me a paper towel? Thank you. So I'm just kind of rubbing this in. It says let it sit 1 to 5 minutes. Now I will say that when I was in Vegas Memorial Weekend in the pool, I wasn't submerged under the water, but I was definitely getting my hair wet. Thank you. My lace did not lift, and I was using Bold Hold Active for my complete install that time. So I do kind of like that. And it is waterproof. So I'm just kind of rubbing this into my hairline. It's still on there. Okay, so I guess I need to let it sit a moment. Hi everybody that's watching. This is the product I'm using. Right now I'm actually just being lazy, trying to get some good stills for when I post a video. So I don't have to put another photo in case I forget. Huh? Yes, please. So yeah, I'm just rubbing it in, rubbing the oil in. This reminds me of baby oil. But I typically do not glue down my wigs. I wear them glueless because I like to just take my wig off as soon as I leave work. But I know some of you have been asking what kind of glue I recommend. And it's not really that I recommend a glue. I'm just testing these out to show you guys what my experience is with them. So I guess I will just let this sit for a moment because my hands are getting greasy. Don't forget to pick up our product line, guys. We have a shampoo, conditioner, curl definer, and we also have an edge tamer. When I tell you these products are amazing, they really are. I can barely keep them in stock. They are available on our website, magichaircompany.com. They're available on amazon.com and of course here in our Culver City store. And here's the edge tamer. I thought this would come off a little faster, but okay. Maybe I should add a little more I hate when oil drips down my face, so. Okay, so I'll rub that in one more time and let that sit. Hi Nia. Nia, I'm hiring right now, so if you're interested or looking for a job, send me a DM or text me. You have my cell phone number. I'm good. I don't really want to just pull it, so I'll patiently wait a couple more minutes. Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in. those of you just tuning in, I am removing my glue with the Bold Hold lace remover. On this side of my installation, I use Bold Hold Active, and on this side of my installation, I use Ghost Bond XL. I'm going to let this sit for a moment or so. It says let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes because I don't want to pull my edges out. I don't know about you guys, but I hate setting oil on my face. So let's see now. Okay, it's loosening up a little. And there you have it. Tati, can you bring me some scissors? So this is my glue residue left, and I'm going to rub that off, cut my wig off. Thank you. I'm going to thoroughly clean my wig, and I'm gonna glue this baby down tomorrow because I have plans. Hi, Redberry 87 Kim. Okay, so you guys see this glue residue left on my forehead. Once again, this is Ghost Bond XL side. This is Bold Hold Active side. And I'm just going to rub it off. I'm going to add a little bit more of this. And now I'm just gonna rub it off, I guess. Hopefully it just rubs. Yeah, it's just coming off. Yeah, okay, that's great. See, it just kind of clumps up and rubs off, so no biggie. Don't forget, guys, let me know what other glues you want to see. Hi, I've never used a frontal. What glue are you using? How long does it last? So for this particular install, I used 2 different glues because I wanted to see, and this is what my towel is looking like, and that is all glue. That's not makeup. So in this particular video, I use Ghost Bond Active on this side and Bold Hold Active on this side and Ghost Bond XL on this side. I posted a couple of videos in our IG TV, so if you would like to see my results, you can go there. Those are the 2 glues I use for this particular install. So what I'm noticing now is that this glue is a little bit more gummy than the Bold Hold. So for my particular experience, I'm not endorsing any company. The glue from what is this called? Ghost Bond XL is a little bit more gummy. So this is some glue. It's not pulling my hair out or anything like that. It's just, I kind of just have to slide it and separate it out. Okay, so I'm gonna spray it one more time until I don't get any more glue on my towel. Give me just 1 second and I will get to this red thing, which I think means somebody asked me a question. Is that what that means? So I'll get to that in just one moment, probably in about 2 minutes from now. I just want to get all of this glue out. Like here, I can feel it. Okay, so this side, so what do you use to remove the glue? What am I spraying? I'm actually using the Bold Hold lace remover. That's what I'm using to remove this current glue situation. Good question. So I'm just getting the remaining glue off of this side here. I think I pretty much got it off. I'm gonna spray one more time and wipe one more time until this towel wipes clear. So this is all the glue on my towel so far. And yeah. So the glue came off pretty easy. Maybe I'll do a separate video showing removing the glue from my wig. Okay, yeah, so this is all glue right here. Let me show you this. This is also little glue pieces. And that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so yeah, all of the glue is removed. Oh, there's a little piece of glue right here. And that's it. So that is me completely removing my glue. This is the glue on my cap here. And I'll probably do another video removing that. All right, thank you for watching.